It has been a pretty quiet day here across the area, and I think that's going to continue into our Wednesday as well. A few passing high clouds to our north. A lot of that will stay north of us tonight, but we may see a couple of high clouds here and there over the next 24 hours. But again, things relatively quiet. I do think it picks up, though, on Thursday as a cold front moves in, but it'll be a dry frontal passage across the area. So with that, burn bands are starting to populate again across the area since it's been so dry for the past few weeks. McLennan County just putting that into effect today, and we have Coryell, Mills, and San Saba also in on that action. And I wouldn't be surprised to see more counties added to this as we continue the dry streak here across our area for the time being. So let's check out what we are anticipating in our future track winds. As we make our way into Wednesday morning, notice the arrows starting to point more out of the northwest. That means we're probably going to have a weak frontal boundary try to creep on in here, and the winds will pick up a little bit more out of the northeast by noon on Wednesday in the 10 to 20 mile per hour range. Then that starts to fall off again as that surge really starts to retreat as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening. But a stronger push of colder air will arrive on Thursday, probably just before lunchtime here. This stopping here at 10 o'clock. Looks like we'll have winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with higher gusts moving on in with a cold front Thursday morning, and those winds will continue all day long. Temperatures will likely slide into the 40s, so it is going to be quite chilly as we move into Thursday and quite breezy to go along with it. And again, with the dry conditions out there, be careful with any burning across the area. So tonight, temperatures will fall into the 30s and 40s for us. Not quite as cold as the past couple of nights. And then we're back into the 60s tomorrow. Coolest conditions across the north. That's where that front will slide in first, and then a little warmer as you head farther down to the south. And checking out your forecast, those temperatures going to be hanging out right around 63 on Wednesday, 49 Thursday. Look at Friday morning, now 22 degrees, 52 that afternoon. Maybe a couple showers on Saturday and 70 degrees for high with breezy south winds. Then we cool off again as we head into the beginning of next week.